Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Creative Vision tutorial. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make this object in Solidworks software by using the sheet metal process. So at first I am going to the file and taking the new. Okay. Then I am going to select the top plane, normal to. Then go to the sketch and select the center rectangle and sketch it. Then I am going to the smart dimension and determine this dimension. It will be 3 inch and this portion will be also 3 inch, so it will be a square shape. Then exit it. Then go to the insert, to the sheet metal, taking the base plane, click on this side, and this ratio will be 0.5, K factor will be 1, and this thickness will be 0.50525. Then okay. Then go to the insert and go to the sheet metal and taking the edge plane, click on this portion, and this will be 2 inch. Then again go to the insert and go to the sheet metal, edge plane is taken and click on this portion. It will be 1.5 inch. It depends on your materials. Then go to the insert and go to the sheet metal and taking the edge plane, click on this portion also, and it will be 1 inch. Okay, done. Go to the insert again and go to the sheet metal and taking the edge plane, click on this side, and it will be 0.5 inch. Again go to the insert and go to the sheet metal, edge plane is taken, click on this side and this way, and it will be 1.5 inch. Okay, done. Then again go to the insert, go to the sheet metal, edge plane is selected, click on this side and come to this way, and it will be also 1.5 inch. Done. Go to the insert and sheet metal and go to the edge plane, click on this portion, this way will be go, it will be also 1.5 inch. Okay, done. Then go to the insert again and sheet metal, then go to the edge plane, click on this portion, this will become then, and it will be also 1.5 inch. Done. Okay, you are watching this shape, then you can change in your own way. Then I am going to the insert again, go to the sheet metal, taking the edge plane, click on this portion, and it is come to lower level, then money downwards, then it will be 5. Okay, done. They are watching it, not touch it. So go to the back, then again go to the insert and taking the sheet metal, edge plane is selected, click on this corner, I mean on this side, then it will be 1.5 inch. Okay, then again go to the insert and taking the sheet metal and edge plane is selected, click on this side, and it will be this way, and it will be also 0.5 inch. Okay, you are watching it, starts to this point. Then again go to the insert and go to the sheet metal taking the edge plate and click this portion, and it will be up to downwards. Okay, 0.5 inch. Okay, done. We are watching it. Then go to the features, select the extruded cut, click on this portion, then go to the control 8 is selected, then go to here, corner rectangle is selected and sketch it. Okay, done. Then go to the smart dimension and determine it from here to here. It will be 0.15, and from here to here also 0.15. From here to here it will be 0.05, and from here to here also 0.05. Okay, done. Then okay, then exit it. Okay, done. Then this thickness will be 0.2. Okay, done. You are watching the empty space. Watching it. Okay, done. Then going here and select the materials. I'm taking the glass texture. Now I'm going to the plastic materials. Okay, this plastic is taken. Okay, again I'm going to the here, select the, I'm not taking the, I'm taking it glass. Okay, I'm taking this glass, I'm taking this color. Okay, not taking this materials. Then okay, this color is better. You are watching it, watching this shape. I mean this way, this shape. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.